morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Loft Kicking. I'm doing something that I haven't done for a while. I am so rusty on it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to open it. I just don't practice with lever locks a lot. But I have some beautiful kits. I got this one from Annie Mac, I believe. I got another one from, what is it, Hamoshi Tools. He's out in China. He sent me a set. Also, Roy, someone sent me a beautiful set. I just haven't started to practice that much with them, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to start. I start on something and I just keep on going. I enjoy picking challenge locks. I I practice, hours a day, but this is something out of the norm for me. And I'm going to try. What can I say? It's a six, I think it's a six or five pin, five lever or whatever, um, lock. Um, I'll see what I can do. What can I say? Stop talking. All right. Get this in here. Yeah, I really got some really, really nice sets, so I'm happy about that. I just got to practice. Practice on these. And get it in here. Come on. You know I can do it. I wish I had someone that could teach me a little bit more. I can't even get the damn thing in right. Come on. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Looking for a binder. Two. Nice. It's like I'm doing this by braille. I mean, I understand the principle. I can't tell you what lever I'm on. I just don't know. Oh my God, I'm not even in frame. Put it back on there. I'm glad I didn't do anything. Ain't that something? Sorry, guys. All right, I didn't do anything anyway yet. Okay. That moved a little. Looking for something that's binding. Can't tell you where I'm at. Can't even tell you what lever I'm on. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Okay. That moved. Just not sure about the depth and how it works yet. I'm just out of practice. Bitching and complaining. What can I say? I'm on the last lever. Try to go one up and one more up. I think I'm moving it too far. That's my problem. All right, so I'll start in the front. Get that first lever. There it is. Okay. Barely move it in. Okay, that's about better. Moving at millimeters. Okay. Okay, I felt like good. And okay, beginning. Ah! Ooh, wait a minute. Thumper came through. Look at that, man. Oh, man, I am happy. That was pure luck. I'm telling you. I need to have someone, get like a video conference or something like that. I need help with these very much. Yeah, that was wonderful. I did not think I was going to get this. I just wanted to make a video on trying to pick a lever lock. So that's what I did. That's what I got. I picked a lever lock. I haven't done it in such a long time. Thank you for watching. Anybody that can help me with this, I definitely need help. I would definitely appreciate it. So what can I say? I did it. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend, and don't put your picture in anyone else's locks unless you got what? Explicit permission. And Mr. Easy has asked me if he started lock sport, which kind of blows me away. Him and Mrs. Easy are into lock sport, and they want to try picking locks, and he says he's pretty good. He's got me kind of blown away because he likes picking. He says he started off with medicos and bi-locks and multi-locks, things that I can't even touch. So if he can do that, he's got more power than I have ever tried to do, starting off with the hardest kind of locks. And he says he's doing great, and he's going to make a video, and he wants to know if he can post his videos on my channel. I told him he's absolutely welcome to. So you'll know if Mr. Easy is making a video on my channel if I simply doesn't have a very large vocabulary, except that's easy. So he's probably started his intro out by that exactly how it says, something on the fact with that was easy. And then we'll move on from there and see what he can do. He's got me interested, and stay tuned for Mr. Easy's picks. Thank you for watching. I'm gone.